Piggy. What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Chippy. I'm just looking at this Tucker Raffle calendar.
Ooh, are those the prizes? I love prizes.
Yes, Chippy, I know.
Shh. Anyway, yup, these are the prizes. They're pretty great. Did you know that when you buy a raffle ticket, you are automatically entered into every single one of these drawings? No, I did not. That's good, right? Sure, and the more tickets you buy, the more chances you get to win. Wow! So, Chippy, maybe you should go online to tuckerpto.com/raffle and try to win a prize for yourself. And while you're at it, tell your friends. Good idea! That's so exciting!
Will you two please go to bed? It's late and I'm trying to sleep.
Sorry, Lily. Okay, but first, my tickets!